A consonant blend is groups of 2 or 3 sounds that are said together quickly. Each consonant within the blend keeps its own sound, but since they're said together quickly, they form a blend. For example, the word lamp has a consonant blend at the end. The and p are said quickly, but still keep their own sounds. A blend at the end of a word is called a final blend. Understanding final blends is very important for young readers. They appear in many words in the English language, and the ability to identify and pronounce them correctly can greatly improve reading fluency. The best way to teach final blends is to break down the words into their individual sounds. For example, in the word last, you have the sounds l, a, s, t. Go back to the beginning of the word, slide your finger under the word and say it slowly. Last. Now do it again and say it normally. Last. We've included an activity to download. Go ahead and check it out. This is a fun way to practice final blends. Using word flippers is another fun way to teach final blends. They're simple and fun to make. Remember, the key to mastering final blends, like any new concept, is practice. Encourage your student to read books suitable for their level and point out final blends when you see them. With time and practice, your student will confidently be reading with final blends.